Today, we are building a strong core with this Pilates bar workout. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. So, you guys, the core is so important because it is the central support system for our bodies, which means that having a strong core helps us with our balance, with our posture, and doing our daily living activities, things that we typically don't think about we just do on a regular basis, such as the walking, standing, sitting, climbing, you guys, just to name a few, lifting, those types of things. And those all come from having a strong central support system being our core. So today we are going to focus on that with 6 very simple exercises, all standing using this Pilates bar. So you guys carve yourselves out some space, get some water to keep yourselves hydrated. So very important as well along with exercising. And you guys, without further ado, let's get started. All right, you guys, we're going to start with a squat. And when you come up, squeeze these glutes and keep these core muscles engaged by pulling that belly button back towards our spine. And when you do that, you can definitely feel that we are engaging these core muscles and supporting our spine as well. Last one. Nice work. Okay. Next one, we're going to do a right, left knee up. Okay, on this one, I'm going to add some additional resistance by taking these straps and holding them close to this bar. Then we squat. Okay, rotate right. Good morning. And to the left. And good morning. All right, you got it. Nice work. Okay, the next one, we're going to do a right, left leg back with this bar extending forward. And you'll feel a very nice stretch when you do that in your core muscles. And although today the focus is on these core muscles, you guys, these arms are getting a workout too. An extra bonus. Nice work. Okay. Okay. This next exercise, the bar is going up And we're going to lean it to the right, center, and then to the left, center. And if you can't hold this bar up this high, bring it to the level that works for you. Just like that. Nice work, you guys. And there you have it. 5 minutes of functional core exercises using a Pilates bar. And I tell you, I definitely feel it, even though it was just 5 minutes, because we were focusing on the mind-body connection and taking our time with these exercises so that our body could benefit from each and every move. So you guys, if you've got more time, energy, press replay on this exercise and repeat it. Do it either 1 or 2 more times. And also, you guys, just like I said earlier at the beginning of this video, exercise is only one part of the equation. Continue to stay hydrated throughout the day and also eat high protein, nutrient rich foods. If you need some suggestions, please check out the description where I've got playlists of some videos and cooking videos that have recipes that are simple, healthy, and delicious. So you guys, let me know how you feel about this workout. And if you are looking for some additional Pilates bar workouts, okay, let me know what it is that you would like to see me do here. I am here for it. Please do leave that in the comments as well, you guys. And I want to thank you all so very much for being here. Remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I'll see you all right here real soon. And thanks for joining us.